welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Okay, with me again, Abe. So today we are going to make seblak. Okay, so this is type of very common food in Bandung or in West Java, in Java Island. So we're gonna make seblaks. It's in my version. Seblak ala Krakatoa. It's chicken finger. We use lasagna. Okay, so it's combination of chicken finger, lasagna with taste of Seblak Bandung ala Krakatoa. Okay, we're gonna make the seasoning for this. So it's gonna be combination of white seasoning and red seasoning, and I'm gonna do one each of this. Okay, I'm gonna do one shallot and one garlic here. One shallot and one garlic here, guys. Da 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 da. What you need to do is put your egg. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Okay, 2 eggs here. 2 eggs. If you don't want egg, so it doesn't matter. Put your egg. You need 1 spoon of white seasoning, okay guys? Okay. Then I'm gonna put 1 spoon of red seasoning too.
What's the name of that one?
This is red seasoning, okay? Okay. So 1 spoon of bumbu merah and 1 spoon of bumbu putih with garlic and shallot, and now you put water. We're gonna put water, maybe like 1 cup first. Lasagna. Okay guys, put the lasagna there. Okay, let's cook this until the lasagna. Put the chicken. Let them boil. Okay. Put the chicken. Okay. It's gonna be 2 cups of water because you need to cook this. Okay. Chilies. Okay. And then you can put tomatoes here. Okay, let them cook, guys. Pause job, eh? Let them boil. Okay, the last thing you do is to put some salt. Okay, I haven't put any salt. So I'm gonna use the gluten-free oyster sauce, or you can use any kind of salt, okay, because this is already salt. So what you need to do, just it's already salt. I'm gonna put a little bit gluten-free oyster sauce, okay. Let's see. If you want to put some soy sauce, that's fine too. They have that kind of spicy kick a little bit. Bueno. Ta-da! It's very easy. 15 minutes maximum. Put on the plate. Okay. Ada. So combination of bumbu merah and bumbu putih, and then a little bit of oyster sauce. That's it. It's very easy. And of course, if you want to put ketchup manis or Indonesian ketchup, and there's Indonesian chili sauce too, you can put. Okay, that's it. Okay, try it. Okay. It's kind of spicy a little bit. kind of tomato.
Yeah, it's got the bumbu merah in it, right?
It's got bumbu merah, it's got a tomato sauce a little bit, and you got a fresh tomato too. It's very simple dish in Indonesia. It's like you can make this very easy in Indonesia.
Wow.
Because it's very simple. Okay?
So good.
Chicken finger, and then you have lasagna or spaghetti or anything.
Or any kind of pasta
any
noodles,
kind of pasta noodles.
like a macaroni maybe.
Yeah. Or crackers, but it's raw crackers.
Wow. So good.
Something different. This tastes like it's very common in Indonesia. Like if you go to the street and buy something, the taste is almost like this. It's very general taste, but it's good. Okay.
It's very good.
And the chicken finger one.
Yeah, we just bought these at the store.
Yeah.
And these were a little breaded.
Yeah.
But you can have them not breaded, right?
Use the breaded one. Bueno. And then
Okay.
don't forget to
Share, subscribe.
buy the seasoning. Go to 17,000flavors.cooking and please try this at home. So good. Bueno. Thank you guys.
Temperature hot. Okay,
Bye-bye.
have a great day.